Video poem Charles Nurture or Letter to Nature. The parent's appearance has less interference or communication with the child's life as the parent's role has been replaced, without explanation by Mr. Technology, or you may name it Mr. Duality. Parents has been a slave to technology and to their child, rather than the parents being a mentor or a model to nurture the child's mind or upbringing. Their child does not know trigonometry, economy, archaeology, or biology. All they know is technology, astrology, gamenology, phonology, with chatology, or no apology, or understand life philosophy. The child behavior to their mentor, curator, or parents has been a one-way communication or relation. In all situations with their temper without the bad weather, the child only understands once and not to give. It's all about me and not us or we, which results in disaster as the identity gets diminished, as the intelligence gets questioned. The game that the parents complain about, the child craving for influences, mostly the primal reptile function of the child's brain excludes the intelligence and identity. The etiquettes with their cigarette, in taking then giving, which has messed up their mind for socializing. Using religion has been looked at in a negative decision of controlling the child's mind, while the media mentors the child, encouraging and reacting to their imagination. What they watch as they reenact without any control. As a mindless slave, what they see as this form of nature like nurture, suckling on nuclear disaster rather than milk. Enlightenment should be our goal. To remove the filter of perception to reality should be our encouragement. By Masood Saeed, 19th of January 2020.